Today we're going to do a little shop improvement. I was walking out here the other day, and that there light right there, solar powered lights, worked great for 4 years. It works off motion. It decided to stop motioning, so I'm going to give it a new fresh look, put a new light up there. I don't want to drill holes up there in the building, so I'm going to make a bracket up there. Oh, kitty kitty, you always want to be in the camera. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Levi. Yeah, that's the culprit. It's been used and abused, left out here in the New Mexico sun. We're gonna grab those 2 screws right there and make a bracket so that we can mount it without drilling new holes in the building. So I purchased these lights off of Amazon. They're a 3-way light, and yes, they're gonna shoot light out everywhere, I hope. They're not as big as I thought they were going to be, but I think they're going to do for my application, because it's dark here and I just need a little light just so I don't trip and fall. They even come with the remote. Looks like it comes with this easy 2-screw bracket that we're going to mount right to this bracket I'm going to make. It even came with 2. I'm going to go ahead and go put one on my fence. Talk about bang for your buck. I'll leave the Amazon link down in the description in case you guys want some. Remember, kids, these things are always optional. Let's go take some measurements and make this bracket. But first, we got to take this old one down. I think I just put sticky tape on it. I think I used the sticky tape that when I built the building. It's for the insulation to stick together or something. Man, this stuff is no joke. Now let's take these 2 screws out. I'm going to measure in between them. Yeah, they didn't put any water seal up here. One more thing I just got to do. Instead of using a tape measure, I just grab my calipers, because there's this rib right here. And I'll be able to measure over the rib, center to center. Now we got our measurement. Let's go bend up some metal. So I went looking around the shop and I found this piece of aluminum. I'm going to use this because it's not going to corrode. I don't have to paint it. I just set it and forget it. So I drew a little pattern on here. This is where the actual light's going to sit. This one here is the 1-inch bump out. It's 1 inch because it bumps out 1 inch. And then this is where the screw's going to be. So I'm going to go cut this. Now we're just going to pop this in the vise and bend it up. I need to clean this shop up. It's in very bad disarray. Pro tip, use a square. Make sure that your stuff is straight before you bend it, because then it comes out all cattywampus. One day I'll grow up and get a hydraulic press. That would be cool. But for now, we're using the bench brake. Whoops. Almost bent it the wrong way. You got to put the marks on the other side. Duh. Now I just got to mark my holes. What I'm going to do, because this is going to thread into that metal, I'm just going to run a drill bit through the hole and mark it. Because I don't have a long skinny thing. Now I'll just do a center punch. Now that we got our holes punched, let's do some drilling. I got these fancy drill bits I haven't used them. I haven't had a chance to really put them to the test. But the few times that I have used them, my phone just keeps going off because it's my birthday. And people are saying, happy birthday. Now I'm going to use these little screws that came with this, but they're too long. But I'm going to thread them into here because I don't want any new holes in my building. What's nice about these 1, 2, 3 blocks is they got holes in them, so you can drill down and the drill will go in here and it will still hold this really nice. We're going to ram our screw down in here now. After I put this on, see how these screws stick out? Well, I'm gonna whack those off. See, now they're gone. They're not gonna hit my building. We got our bracket ready. Let's put it back up there. I did get some new screws with new washers on them. Just slide this little thing into the hole. That's what she said. Just like that. Look. Now we get to... It's up there. Job complete. You guys want to take a look? I would have to say that came out pretty darn nice. Let's see it in the dark. All right, it's pretty dark out here. I don't know if the camera does any justice, but there's the whoa, there's the one on the fence. Look at it light up. Look. Now let's go check out the one on the shop. Alright, I have these things set so that they have the little light on, and as you go up, they turn on. Man, that's bright. Look. It lights this up pretty darn good. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. If you like this content or hate it, I don't care. Leave me a comment. In my next upcoming videos, I'm going to be sorting this disaster out, doing some organization that's much needed. So stay tuned for that. Look at that cat up there. Can you guys see it? She's just chilling on the top shelf.